Welcome back, my dear student. In the previous video, we have to know about the adverb and its kind. In its kind, we have to know about that the adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. Okay. So, firstly, we have to revision of the adverb and its some of the parts. Okay. First, here is the adverb. What is the meaning of adverb? Adverb made by the two words adjective and verb. Okay, at means adjective and verbs you can see here. Adjective is a word that describe noun or noun. Verb is a word that showing action. So in both word it make a new word. By using the both word it make a new word, and that word is called the adverb. And adverb is a word that modify the meaning of a verb. It's called adverb. Okay, that is clear. For example, Ram rights. Okay, so you can see here Ram is a noun word and rights is a verb, and it makes it complete sense, and we can say that it is the sentence. Okay, so in both sentence, both word you have to see it is the noun word. Ram is a noun word, and here the rights verb. Okay, and when we add third word it means neatly. Okay, so this neatly word modify of the verb, and verb is a right, and that but here the neatly can neatly word modify of the ram word. No, that's no relation between the ram and neatly. Okay, only one relation with the verb. That word showing the it is the we can say that it is the as a adjective word. It is the adjective word of a verb. Okay, that is the modify the meaning of a verb. That's clear. So we can say that it means neatly word will be the adverb. That's clear. And in the previous video you have to know about that adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. And today we are going to discuss about the adverb of frequency. That's clear. So let's know more thing about the adverb and its kind. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. First we know the definition of adverb. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tell us how often an action occurs. Okay, how often an action occurred. It means adverb of frequency means an adverb of frequency tell us how often an action takes place. Okay, how an action take place. For example, he always works sincerely. He always works sincerely. Okay, so in this sentence you have to know that here is the he is a subject word, verb is a verb. Okay, work is a verb, and here is the word always. Okay, always is a adverb that shows that work will happen, the work will done in a repeated, it means many times, just like that 1 day 2 day 3 day. It means not 1 day 2 days, it will be always. It is the express the frequency. Okay, and it is the action takes place as a how often. So this type of the word will be the adverb of frequency. Okay, we take the another example of the like I fell down twice. I fell down twice. So you have to see here, here is the I is a subject and fell down is a verb. Fell down is a verb, and how I takes a place as action, that is the take a place of action, it is a fell down, and how many times, that is twice time. So this twice word make a frequency of the verb, that verb is a fell down. Okay, it means he not fell down one time, he he again fell down. So it is the repeated two times. So twice word will be the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. I hope you all understand about the adverb of frequency. It means when a action repeated in a many time, and we have to use a single word for the happening a time a work in a many time, and that word will be the adverb of place, adverb of frequency. Just like that, twice word is a repeated many times, always word is a repeated many times. So these type of the word will be adverb of frequency. That's clear. Now next we will be talking about adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degrees. That's clear. First we know the definition of adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. Okay. Adverb of degree. Here is the definition. Adverb of degree tell us the degree of extent of a action or a quality. Okay, quality. For example, I was very sick. It means here is the adverb of degree means an adverb of degree means or quantity tell us about the intensity or degree of action or a quality. Okay, for example, I am so happy she dances very well, or I was very sick. I was very sick. Okay, I was very sick, or it is degree. So I am so happy. I am so happy. So in both example, you have to find out a word, here the very and so word, that is the express the quantity of the word sick and happy. Okay, so it is the word that express the quantity, or we can say that it does tell us about the intensity. Okay, intensity or degree of action. Here is the what is the action, he falling sick. Okay, what is the degree of sick, the degree of sick is very. Okay, and here is the word I am happy. Okay, so happy, how many happy, to see he I is so happy. So happy also express the degree, it means intensity. So this word, it means so and very, it is the express the quantity of a verb, that is the called the adverb of degree. Okay, so very and so both words will be the adverb of degree. That's clear. Now next is adverb of region. Adverbs of region. Okay. In adverb of region, first we know the definition of the adverb of region. So here is the definition. Adverb of region state a region. They answer the question why. Okay. For example, he received a call from his father, therefore he left. Okay. He received a call. He received a call from his father. From his father, therefore he left. He left. So you can see here. Here is the adverb of region, and what is the meaning of adverb of region? Adverb of region means it is a state a region. They answer the question. Okay. So here is the he received a call from his father. Okay. Therefore he left. Okay. Why? When you ask the question why he left, the answer is he received a call from his father. Okay. So it is the answer. So we can say that here is the express the region. Okay. It is the region. And how can we reply to using the region? Then here the word therefore. Their word is the word that express the region's reply. Okay. Region's reply, and it is used in the between the regions and the reply. Okay. For example, you can say here he received a call from his father. So it is the reply, and therefore why he left. So he therefore word to use the reply, make a reply by the sentence he left. Okay. So this type of the word like therefore and some other word, that is the express the adverb of region. That's clear. It is the adverb of region. So I hope you all understand about this. Now next is interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb. Okay. In interrogative adverb, first we know the definition of the interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb means adverb that are used in asking a question. Adverb that are used in asking a question is called interrogative adverb. Okay. It means we have to use some of the word in a sentence, and that word will be the asking a question. Okay. And interrogative adverb have a different parts like a adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of adverb of region, etc. The many interrogative adverb. I will take the some example like where is Meera. Okay. Where is Meera? It is the interrogative sentence. Second is when did the train leave? When did the train leave? So you can see here is the two sentence, and in the both sentence asking a question. Okay. Asking a question, and here is the asking a question where, and here is the asking question where, and in the both sentence you can see where and where is the asking a question and it will be the interrogative adverb. Okay, and we can say here the use where, so it will be the adverb of time. Here is the use when, then it will be adverb of time. Okay, it is the adverb of place and it is the adverb of time. Here is the asking about the place, so it will be the interrogative adverb of place, and here the asking about the time, so it will be interrogative adverb of time. And some many of the words just like that, why did you cry, so it is the interrogative adverb of reason, why did you cry. So here the asking a reason. Okay, asking a reason, so this type of the word just like that, where, when, which, how, etc are the word to showing a, it is the a kind of the adverb that asking a question in a sentence, and this is the express about many type of that adverb, just like the adverb of interrogative, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of region, etc are the many parts of the interrogative adverb. Okay, so I think you all understand about the adverb, and it is the this topic is completely clear, and now we have to meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching video.